Okay, here is a quick look at the E-mini S&P Stock Index Future for Monday, April the 4th, 2011. What we're looking at here are the market profiles, and this is the profile from today, this is the profile from Friday, and the one in between here is what occurred in the overnight session. So you can see that the market was just basically sideways today, had an inside day, and this kind of consolidation often will lead to good vertical moves. So we're still of the bullish bias, and we think that there could be some good support in around 25, 26, or down there around 22. However, please bear in mind that there is the FOMC minutes to be released tomorrow, and that's released at 2 o'clock Eastern Time. Also at 10 o'clock, there will be some ISM non-manufacturing news. So come 10 o'clock, the market could become volatile, although lately it really hasn't reacted too strongly with that news, nor with the other news, the FOMC minutes. It will more likely pick up some volatility, but it has not been picking up a lot lately when the market has released this news, when the Fed has released this news, and I expect the same thing's probably going to happen tomorrow. So we still have that upward bias, looking to get long in those areas that I just mentioned. Of course, we also like to use the market profiles from the regular trading hours only, and that's what you're looking at there. Here's our software and our trades that we executed today. You can see that these blue up arrows, this one was actually green, but the up arrows indicate the long trades here. And you can see most of the trades were long trades today. We did have one short trade in here. So this the one short trade, it was in the the red filter, and so we did go ahead and take that trade. It worked out very nicely. We were short right here at 27.25, and within not too long a period of time, probably around 12 minutes or so, it dropped about 2.5 points in our favor. It was actually our best trade today. The first trade that we had here, you can see our entry right here. Unfortunately, we got stopped out on that first trade. We did get long once again a little bit later right in here, and it did come up, and we did get filled up here at our second objective. But when the market came down, we were stopped at a break even here. So we actually did not take this trade right here because we're still in the market. So we just had those two long trades there. We did take those within the neutral or gray filter because of our intraday up bias. And we took this trade with the intraday red down bias. Now, we did not take this trade here, although it turned out to be not a bad trade. As you can see, the entry here popped up here, backed off before it rallied again, so we did not take that one. And these two trades here we did not take either, and the reason being is that this trade was actually triggered, I think about 5, 6, 7 minutes, something like that, just before the top of the hour when the cash market closes. And traditionally, this is just really doesn't give us enough time as day traders, to get into a trade and expect it to develop just in the last 15 or 20 minutes. Excuse me. So when they're that late in the day, we don't take them. So just a little bit of a profit today, not a lot. Of course, the market was pretty quiet. It only had about an 8-point range, and we're still looking at that 25, 26 as good support, and that will really be our preference heading into tomorrow. So it'll be nice to monitor that overnight to see if it holds overnight. If it does, that could be the test point for the market come the release of the news tomorrow. And then the next support a little bit lower down there around 21, 22. So that's really all we had today. Not a real lot to report on such a quiet day, but we still do have that upward bias and have that preference going into tomorrow. So any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. Our phone number is on the website as well. So thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.